Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dave and you suck at programming, and today we're not even going to talk about programming. Why? Because we never talk about programming on this channel, let's be honest. Today we're going to talk about Bash. Not really, we're going to talk about different utilities and Unix tools you might be used to, like ls, grep, things like that, and how you might be used to the GNU variants without even knowing it. So for example, if you're on a Linux machine, you're probably using GNU variant, a GNU version of ls, grep, all sorts of other tools they have. If you were on, for instance, like my Mac, or you were on an Lumos machine, or you're on a BSD machine, you might be using other versions of those tools. They're still going to work kind of how you expect them to do, but there's going to be different options, things that you may or may not be used to, things that you may expect to be there, and they just quite aren't working the way you expect them to. So I'm going to give you a quick little demo of that right now. So right now we are on Linux. Cool, simple enough. And we're in a directory called temp files, and there's nothing here. So let's touch some files. Let's make A, B, C. Now if we run ls, there they are. Cool. There's my files. There's 3 files, exactly how we expect. Let's create a 4th file. What are we going to call this file? Well, we're going to be mean. We're going to call it the escape code for red, and then we're going to call it D, because that's the name of the file, and then we're going to exit that escape code, and we're going to reset the terminal back to normal. So what happens? Well, when we ls the file, you can see, look at that. That's a weird file, isn't it? ls-l. Okay, we have one super weird file and 3 other files that look kind of normal. That's kind of neat. That's kind of cool. Why am I bringing that up? Well, let's go over here. We're on a different machine now. We're not in Void anymore. We're on Arbiter. What is Arbiter running? Well, we're on SunOS. Okay, so this is an Lumo system. Let's do the same thing. We're in temp files. There's nothing here. Touch A, B, C. Cool. We have 3 files. ls-l. Okay, cool. We have 3 files just like we expect. What if we touch the same file? Tput set AF 1, so set the foreground color to 1, which is red. D, and then SGR0 to reset it. Bam. Now what happens if we ls? Well, we have 4 files. One of them is D, and it's red. ls-l. Cool. One of them is showing up as red. How fun is that? So notice that ls on the GNU side, on the Linux side, actually escapes it, and on the Lumo side, we don't have that. Doesn't mean that we can't do that. ls is just slightly different, so we might have to say ls-b. There we go, ls-q. One of them will not print escape, control characters, the other one will escape all characters. You have similar options on these variants, I believe. Yeah, same thing. But yeah, just be mindful of this. So if I were to put something like gnarly in here, maybe a character to clear the screen, it looks like ls on a Lumos might actually just clear the screen. And you know, it's kind of what I'm asking it to do, but yeah, just something to be careful about, something to be mindful, cool little trick to show your friends. Yeah, that's it.